Are you excited to uncover the secret recipe for success? Well, let's dive into the fascinating concept known as the Rule of 72, which some believe to be even more remarkable than Einstein's theory of relativity. This rule was first introduced by Luca Pacioli, often regarded as the father of accounting, in his 1494 book, Summary of Arithmetic, Geometry, Proportions, and Proportionality. In this video, we'll explore the significance of this rule, which has the power to double your wealth in just a few short years, making it a universal aspiration. Have you ever gazed upon a shooting star and wished to wake up the next day with a six-figure bank balance? Well, I'm here to tell you that this is no mere fantasy. It's a practical reality, and in this video, we'll unravel the mysteries of the Rule of 72. Stay informed and remain open to learning. Number 1, the Rule of 72. The Rule of 72 is a nifty tool used to set financial goals, assess economic trends, plan for financial objectives, gauge investments, and tackle debt. It helps you figure out how long it will take for an investment to double based on a fixed interest rate. Here's how it works. Take the number 72 and divide it by the expected rate of return. For example, if you're aiming for a 5% return, divide 72 by 5, resulting in 14. This number represents the years needed to double your investment. This rule comes with various benefits. You can quickly and easily assess whether you're on track with your financial goals and make sure your financial decisions are heading in the right direction. It can also be used to measure the impact of inflation, revealing how long it will take for the real value of your initial sum to decrease by half. Nevertheless, there are limitations to this rule. It's applicable only to assets with annual compound interest, and it's not accurate for interest rates below 6% or above 10%. But don't be discouraged by these drawbacks. Consider consulting a financial advisor for a deeper understanding and tailored guidance on the Rule of 72. Number 2, compound interest. As mentioned earlier, the Rule of 72 exclusively relates to compound interest. Understanding this rule and the power of compound interest is akin to holding the keys to financial growth. After exploring the rule itself, let's delve into the concept of compound interest. The fantastic thing about compound interest is that the longer you invest your money, the larger your returns become. It's like a snowball effect, where the interest you earn gets added to your initial investment, and this cycle continues to grow. Use the Rule of 72 to figure out how long it will take to double your current savings. Simply divide your interest rate, let's say 6%, by 72. The result is 12, which is the time it'll take to double your money. When dealing with compound interest, aim for a higher interest rate because the higher the rate, the quicker your investment doubles. Reach out to a financial advisor to find the best compound interest opportunities and apply the Rule of 72 to see your bank account flourish. Number 3, investments. We all contemplate making investments at some point in our lives, and the Rule of 72 can assist in predicting when your money will double. Regardless of the type of investment you choose, this rule can be a valuable tool, especially when combined with the concept of compound interest. Let's explore a few examples. Imagine you have 4 different investments: a savings account yielding 1% annually, government bonds with a 5% annual return, mutual funds offering an 8% annual return, and stocks with a 12% annual return. Try calculating on your own, using the Rule of 72, how long it will take for each investment to double. Share your answers and observations in the comments. If you're enjoying this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribe. Number 4, inflation rate. You've probably heard about inflation in the news, but what does it really mean? Inflation refers to the rate at which prices increase over a specific time period, affecting products and services used in our daily lives. In simple terms, things cost more compared to the previous year. The Rule of 72 can help you calculate how long it will take to offset the effects of inflation. For example, if inflation is running at 3% per year, you can determine that prices will double in about 24 years. By dividing 72 by the inflation rate, you can see how quickly values are expected to rise. Using this rule, you can plan your finances wisely to stay ahead of inflation's impact and ensure your money doesn't lose its purchasing power. Number 5, savings. The Rule of 72 offers various benefits, including predicting when your savings will double, a valuable insight for financial planning. When you think about where to stash your savings, you might consider keeping them at home, but that's risky and can lead to losses. Investing in the stock market has the potential for wealth growth, but it also carries higher risks. Another option is opening a bank savings account, where you might earn a modest 1% interest. While this is the most conservative option, it's a safe bet for your savings. But here's the key: regardless of where you choose to save, you should know how long it'll take for your investment to double. Let's look at an example. If you save $1,000 in a bank account with a 1% annual interest rate using the Rule of 72, it would take 72 years to double your money. However, we can find investment programs with guaranteed annual returns ranging from 4% to 7%, which significantly shortens the doubling time. For instance, if you invest $1,000 in a savings program with a guaranteed 5% annual interest rate, it would take just 14.5 years to double your investment. And the best part is that it's secure. These are just examples. Actual rates may be even higher. The Rule of 72 is a handy mathematical tool that can be applied to various aspects of your financial life, from estimating savings growth to making investment decisions. The key takeaway is to be patient and start your journey towards financial independence today, so you don't have to wait too long. I hope you've learned how to harness the power of the Rule of 72. Share your plans for applying this rule in the comments and have a fantastic day. Don't forget to follow for more insights on achieving a successful life.